I wanted to show y'all the lights we put into the Trailblazer, and at the same time there's supposed to be a rocket launch. We could check that out at the same time. Everybody's over there watching that, but I thought you might want to check out, we put some lights that go underneath like your feet and whatnot. Now it is dark in here, but here I am. Now check this out. You hit this little button over here and it lights up the bottom, which came out pretty nice. It lights up that side and then in the back too, which is pretty slick. And that didn't take too long to install, actually. And when you get back, you can see it all down there, which is pretty nice. Let's go see if that rocket's gonna take off anytime. You see that? That's a rocket right there. Here you guys go. Not only did you get to see my lights, but you're actually gonna see a rocket launch. There it goes. What's that, a Falcon 9?
Yep.
Just went into the clouds over there. So yeah, those lights we installed in the Trailblazer were pretty easy and it was pretty fun to do. I'm gonna go ahead and put a video up and you guys will be able to see that. But I figured if there's a rocket launch, I should probably get all you guys involved with it and I could just show you a little something on my car or truck and see what's happening. There it goes. That is crazy. Wow, Falcon 9. So whenever there's a rocket launch, I'm gonna go ahead and make a video. So whenever you guys want to see a rocket launch, come and check out the channel. And we'll see how it goes. Still going. Why? That's it. It's just a dot right now, but you can even go online, go on YouTube, and there's a SpaceX channel, and you can watch this stuff live too. But that is a big flame behind it right there. It's so far away, and for you to be able to see that right now, it's pretty incredible. There it goes. This one's in the sky for quite a while. That one's hanging out. So the one with people launched, what, like 2 days ago? And we were out here trying to do a video, but we couldn't see the rocket. There's a little cloud, but it just disappeared into nothing. There she goes. So there you guys got to see a rocket launch, and you got to see my lights. I know it's a little bit dark. There we go. All right, there you guys go.